beautiful people. Today we are going to do a battle of the bobs. What am I talking about? I'm talking about wigs that are in a bob haircut. Now, all I mean by that is wigs that are like around here to like up here. So just the shorter wigs. Each wig I have has a different style to it, and I will show you the wig, tell you the price, show you as if I have a picture of where I got it from. I will put it up here so you can see it, and then I'll also put the links to all of the wigs in the description down below. Also, real quick, I noticed that some of you are watching me and you're not subscribing, and like, it's kind of like not nice. So if you could just real quick hit that subscribe button, that would make me feel so much better. And then I could buy more wigs. Alright, let's get started. First wig. First wig I have, it's a bob. This one has wavy burgundy hair. It has bangs. I ordered this off of Amazon. I recently did a review on this wig versus another wig ordered off of Amazon, and I'll put it in the end screen, and then I'll also show you what it looks like right up here so you can check it out. But this wig was about like $21.99. Okay, $21.99 for this baby. This one was not $29.99. So I'm going to take this off, put this one on, show you what it looks like, and we will move on to the next. And then at the end, I want you to tell me which bob is your favorite in the comments below. Also, quickly, if you need any help with wigs or have any questions, I'm here for you. Okay, so we're going to take this off. I already have my wig cap on and all that, so if you are looking for a video on how to put your wig cap on or like the how-tos of wigs, I have plenty of videos like that, and I will also link them in the end screen. There's one right here, there's one right here, there's one right here. So several different educational videos for you to watch. Today's educational video is about the difference between prices and prettiness of the different bobs. So let's get this baby on. No, not this one. We're done with this. Bye, girl. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, so first bob, like I said, we're gonna try on is this beautiful burgundy. Everybody does it different. Please excuse my weirdness. All right, just 1 second here. Let me get it adjusted. Bangs to the side. This one, the bangs in the picture. I'll show you. The bangs in the picture were straight across, but I gotta look in the viewfinder. But the bangs are a little long for me. Kind of have a small head. I know I say that in every video, but I do. I don't think it affects my intelligence though, so that's good. Here we go. This is the $21.99 wig from Amazon, and it is a bob with bangs. It does not have a lace front. If you're not sure what a lace front wig means, I do explain it in a prior video, so I'll put that up there. Alright, so let's check it out. This is bob number 1. Let's move on to the next one. I'm just gonna jump into it. Alright, so this bob I actually got at my local mall. This is the second one. Obviously, don't mind me, I must fix my sleeves for the bob. I thought like, bobs mean show your shoulder. You know, you got to show your little shoulder with the bob. I'm a little odd. So this is the pink one. And this one, like I said, I got at my local mall. And it was about $50, which is kind of crazy because I actually like the last one better than this one. But whatever. I like wigs. This is more of probably a cosplay wig. But I honestly, I wear all my wigs out, and I went to Walmart in this wig, and people looked at me, but it didn't bother me because I'm just odd like that. So let me do my little spin. Alright, this is the pink one from my mall. Are you guys ready for the next one? I'm gonna jump into it as well. This wig actually came from Etsy, and I just got done doing a review video about the wig. It is a lace front wig. It was, I think, about $88, and once again, I'll throw the picture up here so you can see what it looked like when I went to purchase it over the internet. This has become, I mean, every wig I see, I'm like, it's my favorite wig. But I swear this is my favorite wig. It's just so, it's got such a natural hairline across the top because of the lace front, and I love the color. So tell me what you think in the comments. Is this one your favorite? The last one your favorite? The first one your favorite? Alright, are you ready for the next one? And this is our final wig, the pink wig. I got this wig from my local comic book shop at the mall, which is very surprising because you wouldn't think you'd find a wig at a comic book shop, but I did. And I also did a review on this wig if you would like to check it out. It's up here, and then I will leave it in the description and the end screen for you. So this is, let's see, this cost, I think it was $34.99. I will double check and put the price up there. And for $34.99 for a wig, it's actually not bad. I was very, very surprised. Let me get a little closer so you can see. I mean, obviously, like, pink hair might kind of look fake, but I think it's super cute. I absolutely love it. And once again, sometimes you gotta untuck stuff. Yeah. And wow, what's going on? Okay, I need to style this wig, and I will do a video on how I get these curls to just not go crazy. Ah, my curls are going crazy. I've given up. But this is the last wig from the comic book shop. In fact, I'll even show you the box that it came in. This is the box that I saw when I was at the comic book shop, and I thought, like, wow, what a cute wig. And I think, really, once I kind of get these curls under control, it'll look pretty similar to the box. But once again, watch the video so you can see for yourself. That is our battle of the bobs. Be sure to vote for your favorite in the comments below. And also, if you would like to purchase one, I will put links in the description below, as well as probably a pinned comment from myself. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, it'd be great if you let me know. Give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down so I know that it sucked. I want your opinion. Also, be sure to subscribe, because like I said at the beginning, a lot of you guys aren't subscribed, but you watch my videos, so subscribing would help support my channel. Giving a thumbs up would help the algorithm show this video to other people that might enjoy it. So that is it for now. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.